In this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase Dogecoin right from the Crypto.com app. Download the Crypto.com app by clicking on the link below. Download the information right from your mobile device and receive $25 just by investing to Dogecoin or any asset that's on the platform. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and to grow your brand. You know what time it is. Let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now, when you click on the link below and you log in, you download the Crypto.com app and you sign up, you come right to a main screen that looks just like this. Now, when you get here, and let's say we're going to get Dogecoin. Now, I have Dogecoin in my favorites right now, but I'll show you how you can add that to your favorites as well. First thing you want to do, I go to is track. If I go to track and from here, I'll just type in Doge. Doge, you see this right here, and then I click on it, and then you see this little star there. That's how you add it into favorites. So if I click on here, and if I click back on there, it's saying I'm following it. Let me see here. You're now following Doge. Will notify you if there's any significant information. Pretty much. So it's in my favorites. It's a asset that I track on a daily basis. Now, if you want to add it in as a favorites, you just go ahead and do that as well. Now, to purchase in Dogecoin is really easy with the Crypto.com app. You go right here and click on Buy Doge. Now, you can look at exchanges of other places that you can buy Doge, Binance, OKEX. You also can do Gemini now. Gemini, that should be on here, but they hadn't added on there yet. But those are other exchanges you can buy Dogecoin. And if you click on information, you'll learn a little bit about what it does and what it stands for as well. Now, when you're done with all that, and of course the graph here, you can see the graph, the price and the graph. So if you want to look at the 1 week, you'll notice that it's been going up and down, and you can look at that and study that as well. Now, buy Doge right there. You see that? You click right there. And then the next thing is make sure your credit card is already added. Add credit or debit card. Make sure this is added. Just click here. I already have one added already, but if you need to do it, just click there, add the credit, debit card. Really simple, really easy. The next thing you want to do is put an amount, how many Doge you want. So if I click there, if I say I just want 200 Doge, let me go ahead. Do this right. 200. 200 Doge is $100. Let's say if I want 10 Doge, it's $5. So if I want 10 Doge, it's just $5. Actually, you got to have a little. I got to do 12. The minimum was 10 because you can see the minimum right here. So let's say we do 12 Doge for this example. If I click on buy 12, it gives me a breakdown exactly what's about to happen, the method of payment, the total cost, the fees. 1 Doge equals this amount of price. 12 Doge costs that amount of money. If I confirm, okay, it's expired, so I got to go back. So let me see here. Go ahead, see this breakdown here. $6.25. Put my passcode back in there. Make sure you set up a passcode when you're signing up on your Crypto.com app. It's just give you a little bit more security, just additional security. And so now it's loading up. It's asking me for additional information for security. And then I'll go ahead. It's already telling me don't share this. So you definitely, I'll go ahead and click that out. I'm gonna go ahead and sneak preview that. There you go. And it's getting ready to add 12 Doge into my Crypto.com wallet. And that's how you do it. Really simple, really easy. See how simple that was? Just easy. You click anywhere, and then now you just go back to your Doge. Go back to your Doge. If I go back to my Doge, click on accounts. You see the accounts down here? I just go on accounts, and I go to crypto wallet. I just got this actually marked off for security purposes. And if I click on Dogecoin, look at that. Look at that. You see at the bottom there? Look at this. 12 Doge. $6.07. 12 Doge. And if I click right there, it shows me exactly that I purchased it on May 11th, 2021 at 5:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And also it has a little breakdown here, $6.07. The fees was 18 cents, which is not bad at all for fees. Not bad at all. That's why I like crypto.com. Click on the link below to get signed up. I'm telling you, watching this video, sign up, use your phone. Don't use the desktop or laptop or your tablet. Use your mobile device and go ahead and download the crypto.com, receive $25, and you can go ahead and invest it with low fees. I'm telling you. And the total cost is $6.25. So that's it. So I added Dogecoin into my crypto.com wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Watch this video a few times if you need to learn how to purchase not only Dogecoin, but you can also do VeChain, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You also can do Shiba Inu, which has just been added there a couple of days ago. So go ahead and play around with this, and I will see you on the next video. This is Adam Shelton. I can't wait to do another video just to show you how to grow your bank account and to grow your brand. I'll see you later.